Hello watchers, my name is Maharshi Pandya. I am pursuing my bachelor in mechanical engineering from Dharamsi Desai University. Now today I am here to talk to you in context of my topic textbooks should not be replaced by technology in high school. Now I hope you all guys are enough aware about what is textbook learning and what is technological learning. But I don't want to focus on that. I want to talk to you about what is more reliable, textbook or technology. There is no doubt that what we are doing in our daily life is all related to technology. Technology is very important in for us, but when we communicate with our friends, our family, uh, to organize our lives, to learn new things, to find out new things on internet, these all are about technology. Exactly same as now. In a situation of epidemic COVID-19, many schools and colleges are doing their work of teaching and examination with the help of technology. Now, if we talk as a student, how it will be well for them to study by technology. Very technological reading is very updated in real time. Now, latest information and added to it as soon as it happens. So, and also, youngsters learn from the technology. It will settle up for their future because nowadays all of the professional things are done by technology. So from the beginning, they are tend to use technology. They very used to with the technologies. Spending so much time on a computer, it will lead the student cannot separate the time for learning and the time for playing. And also there will be so many distractions during the learning in classroom, like apps, mails, the games, etc. And computer provide lot of free reign to the student, which stray away from the teaching plans. So that it will also lead to distraction much more. Also, the digital learning is very expensive, so not every school and every family can afford it. It will create a digital divide between rich people and poor people. So it is also not good for students in their childhood. Also, there is a study from the American Optometric Society, which lead to the decision that very more use of handhold devices, which will cause the computer vision syndrome, neck pain, shoulder pain, migraines, and also a study which shows that the digital learning is 20 to 30% slower than the textbook learning. And also printed textbooks are not subjected to downloadable virus, so it will not freeze the work which is getting done. So here we sum up the technological learning. Now I will talk about the textbook learning. Textbook have played very important role in the life of student and the learning process for many years of education. Now students are used to learn, explore, and discover new things with the help of textbook, and it is quite successful way till now. In the textbook, it is very structural learning, an element which is checked by professionals, so there will be no chance of mistakes. And using the textbook, which gives hand in hand hold and writing the notes, so it will give the experience to student that will help him to remember and easy learning the lessons. Now the textbook using, which also gives one another experience to the student, which is called tactile experience. It is called the sense of the textbook, which the student feel by his hand. So which is very important in the learning process. I would like to conclude my video here that the most important thing in the student life is to give the chance to him to connect the idea and what he sees in front of them. And also the handwritten or the textbooks are very easier approach due to physical approach. They can connect between the possible outcomes of that. So now, no doubt computer plays very important role nowadays in classroom, but Still, a textbook is more important in the learning process, and also digitization in learning will helping supplement for the textbook. But yet the textbook learning is more effectively done by the students. So it is still remain at the focal point in the academic journey of the student. Thank you.